Hi guys, right, so Thursday I had a inner CV boot replaced on the offside. Um, Needed to get that done ready for the MOT this Friday. Then I found out that the offside ball joint is now failed, or failing, it's on its way out. The rubber's split. So I needed to replace the ball joint. You've got to do both sides, really, when you're doing suspension work. Always mirror it. Never do just one side. So what I decided to do, bite the bullet. So I was planning on getting this January time with some other bits. But with the ball joint going, I'm now stepping it up and replacing the wishbones with Hardrace, and I'm getting some uprated ball joints as well. Got them from A&K Motorsport, which is where I get most of my bits from. Andy's great, absolute fountain of knowledge when it comes to the STs. So yeah, I've already had a look. All the bits seem to be there, so it's all well packaged. Lots of Hardrace stickers. You get a lot. You've got there's one with the wishbones, I should say, because there's a pair, and there's also one in here, which is the ball joints. Mine's a facelift ST. There's two sizes of ball joints as well. There's an 18mm, I believe it's an 18, and the other one's a 21. Mine, being a facelift, is a 21mm. And that's the ball joint code. I don't think... Oh. There you go. Says off-road use only, but lots of people fit them for road cars. So, yeah. Let's get wishbones out. One. And if you're into bubble wrap and popping them, you've got plenty. It's all well packaged. So let's just open one of these up and have a look. And do this single-handedly. Doesn't work too well. Hold on. So that's one of them out. I have to say, the finish on them looks really good, and I'm getting fingerprints all over it. Small R there, so that this is the right-hand side one. Yeah. It weighs a fair bit, to be honest. It's hardened rubber, so it shouldn't perish the same way as what normal normal wishbone bushes do, which is good. Yeah, and the ball joints. Sticker. Who doesn't love stickers? go. Hey. Don't drop it, Gav. So yeah, comes with the bolts needed, which is good. There is a bolt. Here, and I'm presuming this is for the lights, for the self-leveling arm for the lights. That's what I'm presuming that's for. So, yeah. But I'm presuming this is going to be a cover protecting the actual boot. But yeah, you try moving that and it's solid. So, have been told that it does make a big difference. So, yeah, hopefully I won't be replacing these again anytime soon. I did one about 1.5 years ago. So, and I think that was the near side one. So, yeah. This time I'm replacing both at the same time, and I'm going with uprated. I don't have the RCA kit. I haven't bothered buying that yet, because the car's still on standard springs and shocks, so it's still normal height. So the RCA is not needed. I am hoping as well, on Thursday when it goes in to get these fitted, I'm going to get the Hardrace front drop links fitted as well. So, yeah, there'll be a bit of blue in the wheel arches instead of just dirty, old, grimy stuff. But yeah, there you go. Hardrace Wishbones.